Well, good morning.
Bon dia.
Bon dia on a beautiful sunny morning.
Yeah, it's
here
really
in
clear today.
in Madeira, and we are in Rabacal, starting today's walk.
Yeah.
Quite a popular start point for quite a few walks.
Very popular, yeah. A lot of the walking tours come here, mostly for the 25 Springs walk.
Yeah, we did that last year, didn't we? Stunning walk. But we've just kind of left the car park, and there's about 100 people heading down the hill to do that walk. Fortunately, we've headed off another way.
Yeah.
We are looking for today Lagoa doVento, which is the windy lake, which is a swim spot apparently. You can swim there. It has a waterfall into it, and I think there's another waterfall swim spot possibly.
Yeah,
somewhere
I think
along the
there might
way.
be a couple of waterfalls.
But we're following this Levada. You can probably see from some of the opening clips. You may have seen as well, the drive in once again was just mind-blowing.
Stunning. We stopped at this viewpoint. You could see Arriero, Revo really clearly.
Yeah.
The landscape is just what a skyline.
The drives, I mean, it took about an hour to get here, didn't it? But everywhere you look is just mind-blowing scenery.
Yeah.
So the drives in themselves are entertaining, aren't they?
They are, yeah.
But yeah, we're going to get cracked on this, following this Levada for a little bit, which I think takes us to Lagoa doVento and this waterfall, and then possibly on from there to the other one if we can find it.
Yeah.
So let's get rolling and get baked alive in this sunshine. A nice little Levada section to start, quite shaded under the trees until you come across that, which is quite a view. Stunning, isn't it? And I think we've chosen wisely on the path front for this one, because you can hear the people down there in that valley heading off to do the 25 Springs walk, but we've not seen a single person on this bit so far, have we?
No, it's been quiet, so...
Weather's looking good.
Yeah.
Excited. And we've come across something you don't see too often in Levadas.
That would be so much fun to slide down.
Debs would be into that, wouldn't she? Yeah, you don't see this too often. That's kind of a 45-degree slope. That's pretty cool. And another little viewpoint, and another stunning view. So we've done a little half-mile detour off the route to have a look at the Rivera Laureca waterfall, which by the sounds of it we're just approaching. So let's go and have a look. Stunning little spot, and a little bit of rock hopping, but the waterfall is just over there. Let's see if we can get any closer. Pretty spectacular. Crystal clear water. Beautiful.
Okay, so we've got deck shoes on. And Pete's gone for a little paddle just to test the temperature. It looks cold. It looks very cold.
ridiculously cold.
Yeah, that's looking like it might be a bit too painful. We'll see.
That is icy. What a beautiful spot that was.
It really was.
For a little unexpected detour.
Yeah, stunning.
And we did consider getting in. We're kind of watching the clock. We've got to get to Lagoa de Vento, possibly a dip there. Plus the fact it was ridiculously cold.
It was actually painful.
It was painfully cold, wasn't it?
Just to have your feet in for 30 seconds, so yeah.
But yeah, we've got to keep half an eye on time as well. We've got a 5 o'clock pickup with Felipe, and we still got to get back to the main path and then all the way round to Lagoa de Vento as well. So we'll get cracked on and report back a little bit further along. So this is descent, descent, descent. Back on the main path. And what do we have here? Is this a bit of a viewpoint, is it? Wow. Nice. Another little elbow in the valley and a little high-sided ravine with a mini waterfall, which would probably be more of a flow in the wetter weather, but just a bit of a trickle today. Surprises round every corner, isn't there?
Yeah, that's pretty.
So we can hear the sound of the Risco waterfall, which is what flows into Lagoa de Vento. And you can just make it out over there. So it sounds like there's a few people down here, but we've been catching some glimpses through the trees on the way down. Wowzers. That's pretty amazing. Let's see if we can get a bit closer. What an absolutely incredible place. That's the bottom of the waterfall. And that's the top. It's trying to shade us from the sun. Now the question is to swim or not to swim. There's nobody in, and I'm wondering why that is. Seriously cold.
He's in.
Wow.
Well done.
Takes your breath away. My new friend has persuaded me in here.
Hey.
Well done. What's your name? What's your name? Andre. Andre. High five, Andre. Well done, dude. Oh man. Well, Shell's got herself in as well. It's a touch cold, isn't it? There's some people behind the waterfall there. Oh, you can't make out the top because of the sun. Nice, eh? Takes your breath away, doesn't it? Last one.
This silly person is going in for the 3rd time. One is enough for me. Graceful. The coldest thing we've ever been in.
Thing I've ever swam in, ever.
But beautiful.
Well, it's a bit busy and oh, there's someone else in. Everyone who's going in is getting a round of applause. It is unbelievably cold.
It is. It's the coldest thing we've ever been in.
Yeah, it's just
Freezing.
instant, like heavy pins and needles cold in it,
Yeah,
but dead
it hurts,
refreshing.
but it's amazing. I'm so pleased we
Yeah,
did it.
made up. Time for some lunch, I think. Not a bad little spot for lunch. Well, that was absolutely amazing. What an incredible place. And now we are making our way back up this nicely stepped path which drops you down to the lake, about 1,000 feet, but it's a bit of a killer, isn't it?
Yeah, never ending stuff.
Feel this tonight. So we are kind of contouring now. We've done a load of climbing and now we're descending, but we're just sort of picking our way along the side of this ridge. You can just see through the trees there, the clouds rolled in thick and fast. But good paths.
Yeah, I mean it must have been quite a feat to get paths into this.
Yeah.
Again.
But yeah, picking our way now, well, starting to head back towards Casa de Rabacal. But I'm still just reeling from that swimming experience. That was just unbelievable. That whole place is just off the scale.
Yeah.
Absolutely nuts. Oh, look at that, that's nice. Ooh, welcome sight. And with numerous viewpoints and a little snack bar up there, I think this is going to be our finishing point, isn't it?
Yeah, that's us back.
And a bit of a belter, that one.
Absolutely amazing. I've loved
Yeah.
that.
I mean, hard work, a lot of ups and downs steps wise.
Yeah.
Tough on the knees, but absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, absolutely
And
fantastic.
the waterfalls, I mean, the first one was amazing, wasn't it? But the second one,
Out of this world.
the Risco waterfall, just, yeah, literally out of this world, like something from another planet. And the swim was just incredible, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
really glad we did that.
Yeah, it was. I felt like I wanted to at the first one, but we were a bit pushed for time, weren't we?
Yeah,
But the second one, yeah, that was so worth it, wasn't it?
really was.
So I think we might pop up there, maybe grab a cold can to drink or something like that, and there might be a little stop off from Felipe on the way back somewhere.
Oh yeah, you mentioned.
We'll see. Possibly a rum factory, did he say?
I think so.
So we'll see what happens there. If there's anything we can grab off film, we will. But otherwise, this is going to be us signing off.
Yeah.
So thanks very much for watching. Appreciate it.
Yes, thank you.
And we'll see you next time.
Ciao.
Ciao. just got out of the van on the way back after the rum factory in a lovely poncha.
Yeah.
Because this section of road has the only waterfall that still falls on a road left in Madeira. Wow. So Felipe's told us to get out the van and walk it for a laugh. So here we go. Oh my word. So this is it. Okay, here we go. Oh man, that's crazy. So there you go, only waterfall still falling on the road left in Madeira.